Okay, so here we are at the sketchy couloir, and my boots are a little too loose, so I'm gonna show you how we tie them to keep a lot of support throughout the boot and into the foot. Cinch these down really tight, and then you wanna go through these little eyelets here that are sewn in. I'll show you that in a second. So now, take one lace, pass it through, and then do the same with the other, like that. Keep everything nice and tight. Make sure it's all tight around the foot. This isn't good for hiking uphill. It's too tight for that. For going downhill, it really keeps your foot supported and braced in the boot. Like that, across the instep. Puts a lot of pressure across the instep of your foot and keeps your foot very stable. And then from here, do a surgeon's knot. And then it forms a little bar that goes in front, and then go through the studs, go through the studs again, and then tie like normal. And it's super tight, almost uncomfortably tight, but that's the whole point for getting down this kind of terrain. Keeps your foot really stable, keeps your ankles protected. And that is exactly what you want when you're going down the sketchy couloirs. So that's how you tie it. That's it for this one. See you in the next one.